Find businesses that protect the environment with EcoBiz.
Whatever car, truck, or SUV you own, whatever the weather, wherever you drive, when you visit a Kaady Car Wash, you're not only saving time and money and protecting the environment, you're also following the wash methods recommended by leading car makers. People who know that advanced technology and gentle, effective shampoos like those used at Kaady offer the best way to protect your vehicle's finish.
EcoBiz certifies businesses that help protect our rivers and streams. Visit ecobiz.org to learn more.